Hi, my name is Damien Glenojecki and I am the creator of the Micro DMG Buggy. We designed this product with you in mind. The buggy is controlled via a smartphone. The intelligent sensor on the bottom of the car enables very advanced single and multiplayer racing with obstacles and power-ups. Be careful not to hit the red target as you will spin out, but go for the green one, it will slow down your opponents. You can play with or without target detection. The sensor also enables the measurement of precise timing when crossing the finish line. Create your own track on any smooth surface, or simply roam around. Either way, it's lots of fun. The buggy is almost ready for production, and the prototyping stage is almost complete. We are ready to start setting up the manufacturing. We need your help to get over the finish line. Back us today and watch this project bloom. Thank you.
Introducing ARMS, the smart toy just for you. ARMS consists of a main body and various attachable parts to make a moving smart toy. Connect to the ARMS app to easily control your arms.
Operates the system. Beep, 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 beep. Watch your foot. Your foot may be dangerous.
ARMS provides various arm attachments. Magnets allow for parts to easily attach onto the main body. Insert the sidearm into the groove of the main body and play games that are compatible with the sidearm.
Hey, I found one.
Depending on the situation, ARMS can respond with different sounds.
Ow, surprise. I run with the wind.
Placing the arms onto the charging stand also allows it to act as a mood lamp. If you want a one-of-a-kind ARMS that is personalized just for you, then you can use 3D printing or create a new sidearm attachment yourself. ARMS parts and application will be updated and released regularly so that you can enjoy even more types of fun. The smart toy that you can create just for yourself. ARMS.
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 11:07 a.m.
Thanks.
You bet.
Hi,
Hi again.
how are you today?
I feel alright. Did you know, when you do something nice for someone else, it can make you feel better too? I thought that was interesting.
Where did you hear that?
I don't know, I didn't recognize the voice.
Do you want to learn something new?
Sure, go ahead.
It's kind of fun to do the impossible.
It's kind of fun to do the impossible.
You got it.
Thanks, I'll be sure to remember that.
Hey Bright, I'm going to teach you a new object.
Alright, please show me the object. Done. What would you like me to remember that as?
Save that as arm.
Okay, I'll remember that as arm.
Okay, Bright, what is this?
Let me take a look. I think that is arm.